Power through stubborn weeds and overgrown cracks with tools built for fast, effective yard cleanup. Best weed torch options can save time, reduce chemical use, and make outdoor maintenance easier for driveways, gardens, and patios. This guide covers durable models with strong flame control, reliable ignition, and comfortable handling for demanding outdoor tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. VANCFIRE Blow Weed Torch. The VANCFIRE Blow Weed Torch is a versatile option for homeowners who need a reliable propane torch for yard maintenance, snow melting, and outdoor cleanup projects. One of the standout features is its dual-mode design, allowing users to switch between a compact handheld setup and an extended long-reach configuration. The shorter mode works well for lighting charcoal, fire pits, and grills, while the extended setup is ideal for removing weeds from sidewalks, driveways, and garden edges without excessive bending. This flexibility makes the torch useful throughout the year rather than just during weed season. The included storage bag is another practical addition because it keeps the torch and accessories organized and protected when not in use. Performance is one of the strongest areas of this weed torch. With temperatures reaching up to 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit, the VANCFIRE model delivers enough heat to quickly burn stubborn weeds and handle demanding outdoor jobs. The large steel nozzle creates a wide and even flame that covers a larger area in less time, helping users finish tasks faster. The 12.5-foot hose also improves mobility, making it easier to work around large spaces or reach difficult corners without constantly moving the propane tank.
Number 2. Saker Comfort Weed Torch. The Saker Comfort Weed Torch is designed for users who value comfort and control while handling outdoor weed removal and heating tasks. Unlike many standard propane torches, this model focuses heavily on ergonomics, making it easier to use for extended periods without hand fatigue. The upgraded anti-slip handle feels secure and balanced in the hand, which is especially helpful when working around garden beds, fences, or uneven ground. Its textured grip improves control during operation, allowing users to direct the flame more precisely. The 30-inch detachable handle is another practical feature because it reduces the need to crouch or bend constantly while clearing weeds from sidewalks, patios, and driveways. Performance-wise, the Saker Comfort Weed Torch produces strong heat output through its wide 2.28-inch flame outlet. This broader flame makes it effective for clearing larger weed patches more efficiently compared to narrow flame torches. Beyond weed control, it can also handle snow melting, fire starting, and light outdoor heating applications, making it a versatile addition to any garage or garden shed. The curved torch head improves flame direction and helps minimize flame deflection caused by wind, which can improve both safety and efficiency during outdoor use.
Number 3. Sondiko Detachable Weed Torch. The Sondiko Detachable Weed Torch stands out for its strong emphasis on safety and durable construction, making it a dependable option for homeowners and outdoor workers who frequently use propane torches. This model is built with professional-grade materials and includes a double-sealed barrel design to help reduce the risk of leaks during operation. Safety features are clearly one of the priorities here, as the torch also contains internal mechanisms that restrict propane flow if leakage is detected. Combined with its high standard leak testing before shipping, the torch offers additional peace of mind for users handling high-heat outdoor equipment around gardens, driveways, and work areas. In terms of performance, the Sondiko torch delivers impressive heating capability, with temperatures reaching up to 1,800 degrees Celsius. The wide flame outlet creates a strong and concentrated flame, suitable for stubborn weeds, melting snow and ice, softening asphalt, and removing paint from non-flammable surfaces. The detachable 30-inch design also gives users flexibility between handheld and extended configurations depending on the task. For quick jobs like lighting charcoal or searing meat, the compact setup works well, while the longer configuration is better suited for outdoor weed removal without bending excessively.
Number 4. Weed Dragon Weed Torch. The Weed Dragon Weed Torch has built a strong reputation among homeowners and gardeners who want a simple yet powerful solution for chemical-free weed control. One of its biggest strengths is the impressive 100,000 BTU heat output, which produces enough flame intensity to quickly eliminate weeds growing along sidewalks, gravel paths, fence lines, and driveways. Instead of using herbicides, this torch destroys weeds with direct heat, making it a more environmentally friendly alternative for outdoor maintenance. The high heat output also makes the torch useful for year-round tasks, such as thawing frozen pipes, melting ice, and handling tough outdoor cleanup jobs. Another benefit of the Weed Dragon torch is its straightforward propane hookup system. It attaches easily to refillable propane tanks using a hand-tightened POL fitting, eliminating the need for additional tools, regulators, or complicated installation steps. This simple setup makes it beginner-friendly while still delivering professional-level performance. Once connected, the torch provides a strong and consistent flame suitable for larger outdoor spaces where smaller torches may struggle.
Number 5. etoolab Asphalt Weed Torch. The etoolab Asphalt Weed Torch is built for users who need high heat output and versatile performance for demanding outdoor tasks. Capable of reaching temperatures above 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, this propane torch produces an intense flame that can handle everything from stubborn weed removal to snow melting and asphalt heating. The large nozzle generates a flame up to 30 inches long, allowing users to cover wider areas more efficiently. This strong heating performance can significantly reduce the time spent clearing weeds from driveways, sidewalks, gravel paths, and large outdoor spaces. It also works well for lighting fires, barbecuing, and removing road markings, making it useful beyond standard lawn care tasks. One of the standout features of the etoolab torch is its two-mode segmented design. Users can quickly switch between a shorter 24-inch setup and a longer 37-inch configuration depending on the task. The shorter version works well for compact jobs like grilling or lighting fire pits, while the longer version allows for safer and more comfortable weed removal without constant bending. This flexibility makes the torch practical for both quick household tasks and larger outdoor projects. The ergonomic handle also improves comfort during longer use sessions, helping maintain better control over the flame. Durability is another area where the etoolab model performs well. The steel nozzle is heat-resistant and built for heavy-duty outdoor work, while the CNC machined brass valves and fittings provide reliable connections and long-term durability.
Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.